Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can connect Steam to PS5. So it depends on your platforms. So you can connect or link a Steam to PS5, and it's very simple. First up, you need to go to the games website or platforms that you use for your games on your PS5. So let's say you play Fortnite or any game in Epic Store, and you'll see the option of Steam right over here directly. So you'll see the PlayStation Network as well, and you'll see the option of Steam as well. So first up, what you need to do is just link your PlayStation account with it, and you need to simply log in and connect your PlayStation account. Once you're done, now you need to connect your Steam. You need to link up your Steam after that. Once you've linked your Steam, now your PlayStation and Steam both have been linked and it has been connected together. But you can also do this on EA. What you can do is just simply connect your EA account to PlayStation Network, and then simply just connect your Steam account to your EA, and after that you're good. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.